Welcome to Chinese for Leaders at the Next Generation。我是你们的汉语老师范老师。今天我们学习第20课，你的电话号码是多少 ？Lesson 20. What's your phone number? 我们开始吧。Let's get started. First, we're gonna review lesson 19. Yesterday, we learned the expression of 在 means action in progress. And today, we're going to learn lesson 20, an expression of how to ask and give phone numbers. For the last part, I'm going to introduce another two interesting radicals related to your body parts. 好, let's say the first one. So subject plus 在 plus verb plus object then plus 呢 can show a action in progress meaning. For example, 我在学习汉语呢 At this moment, I'm learning Chinese. 我在学习汉语呢 You can either only use 在 or only use 呢 to achieve this purpose. For example, you can say 他在看书 This one is equal to 他在看书呢 Without 呢 it's also okay. Or you can ask 你做什么呢 What are you doing? It's also asking for the current action which are in the progress. 你做什么呢 Okay? 好 For the negation, you're simply gonna put 没 in front of 在 and this 在 can be abbreviated. You don't need 呢 in this sentence. For example, 我没在学习汉语 I'm watching movie. 我在看电影呢 Okay? Or 他没看书 So without 在 or with 在 is the same effect. 他没看书我没在学习汉语 Did you get it? If so, let's move on. Let's learn some new words for today's lesson. First one, 电话 电话 As you already know, we learned 电影 movie 电视 television. So 电 is electric. 话 means conversation. The conversation through the electricity were connected by the electronic devices, which is phone. 好 Numbers 号码 号码 So 号 itself already literally means number. 码 means code. So number and code together take the meaning of number. Put them together, phone number, which is 电话号码电话号码 Okay, let's continue. Now, people more and more using their phone. So, mobile phone is pronounced like 手机手机 Mobile phone 手机手 literally means hand. And then 机 means machine. So 手机's actual meaning, literal meaning is hand machine. Quite interesting, isn't it? The last one of this page, which is 给 have two meanings. One meaning is the preposition, which we're going to learn today, means to or toward somebody or one location. Another meaning of 给 is when it used as a verb, it means to give. 好 Okay, there's two more new words. First one is 打电话打电话电话 means phone. You already know this one. 打 itself literally means to beat, to hit. At here, it means make a phone call. And 打 is a very interesting verb because 打 have many different extension meanings. Later, when we continue our learning, you will also learn that 打 can use the before call for a taxi. It can also use the before play basketball. It can also be used in front of typing a character. So this is a quite interesting verb. Use it here. It means make a phone call. 打电话，打电话。Last one is a particle. We learned a lot of modal particle. Maybe you already discovered the modal particles are all used at the end of a sentence. So this one is indicating consultation, a suggestion, request, or command. When you use this at the end, you will soften the sentence. For example, if you say 吃means I order you to eat. The tone sounds too harsh. Under this situation, and I will say 吃吧, 吃吧. So 吧 soften my command tone. It makes like it is still a suggestion, still a request, but more gentle, more polite. 好, let's go back and review all the new words. Please read after me. 电话，电话，号码，号码，手机，手机，给，给，打电话，打电话，吧，吧。So how do you say call somebody, make a phone call to somebody? Well, you will put 给 somebody as a preposition in front of the verb. So the sentence turns to 我给妈妈打电话。我给妈妈打电话。I'm calling mom. So to mom as a preposition will put it in front of the verb 打。This is a fixed term. No matter who you are calling, the 给 somebody will put it in front of verb. This is a common mistake. People always say 我打电话他 to him or to her. So this is not right. The right way is put the preposition in front of the verb. 我给妈妈 only if you have somebody to call, then you can make a phone call. Kind of makes sense, right? 好，我给妈妈打电话。Let's review about the numbers one more time. So numbers from 0 to 10. Do you still remember? You can use your hand to show the gesture and read after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now we introduce two new numbers. First one is 0, 0, 0, 0. Another one is, it's also 1, but when you read it especially in a phone number, a room number, or car plate, then you will read it as 1, 1. The writing doesn't change, only pronunciation changed. 好, now let's look at the conversation. Martin asked, 请问你的电话号码是多少？请问 excuse me, 你的 yours, 电话 phone, 号码 number, 是 is, 多少 how many. So literal meaning is your phone number is how many. What's your phone number? And Zhang Li answers, 我的电话是010-5852-6125. My telephone is, this is abbreviated from 我的电话号码. When you ask for the 电话, of course you're asking for the numbers. So numbers here can be abbreviated. Can you read the numbers? 010-5852-6125. Chinese people like to read the numbers in 3 digits or 4 digits as a small group. And then 010 is the city code of Beijing. In the same city, you don't need to dial this number. You can just directly tell the 8 digits telephone number to the other people. 好, let's look at the next page. 那 means then 你的手机号码呢？那 well, what about your phone number? Mobile phone number. So nowadays because everybody's using mobile phone, so asking for telephone number is equal to asking for their phone number. You can use both expression to ask the same thing. And then Zhang Li answers 138-1254-6677. Normally, the numbers of Chinese mobile phone will started from 13. Now they also have 1517. And it composed by 11 digits. 好 let's go back and read this part one more time. 请问你的电话号码是多少？请问你的电话号码是多少？我的电话是010-5852-6125。我的电话是010-5852-6125。那你的手机号码呢？那你的手机号码呢？138-1254-6677 138-1254-6677。 Let's see another conversation. 8230-4155，这是李老师的电话吗？ Is this 李老师 phone number? 不是，他的电话是8230-4156。No, her telephone is 8230-4156. 好，我现在给他打电话。Okay, I will call her now. 我现在me, I 现在 now 给他 to her 打电话 make a phone call. 她在工作呢 She is working now. 你下午打吧 You can call her this afternoon. So if without a ba and you will say 你下午打 Well, this one is like a command. I order you to make the phone call this afternoon. That's too harsh, and that's completely not Zhang Li's business whether when Ma Ding call Li 老师. So Zhang Li is simply kindly just giving a suggestion. 你下午打吧 by using ba soften the command tone. 好 let's read this part one more time. 8230-4155，这是李老师的电话吗？不是，他的电话是8230-4156。不是，他的电话是8230-4156。好，我现在给他打电话。好，我现在给他打电话。他在工作呢。你下午打吧。他在工作呢，你下午打吧。很好 This is the context of lesson 20. Now, let's see the two radicals related to body. Very interesting. The first one is 手 hand radical. As you can see, the three characters 打、推 and 提, they both have this hand radical. So hand radical means it's an action has something to do with your hand. For example, 打 original meaning means to beat, to hit. And 推 means to push, to push. 提 means to lift up. So it all have something to do with your hand. And the second one is 目. This is eyes. I have a picture to show you. Oops. Look at this. And in the Oracle bone script, the eye is like it's kind of like the image of the eye, right? And gradually it's from the horizontal styled change to vertical styled. Why this happening? Some scholar says this is because ancient people used to write on bamboo, and then bamboo was very narrow. If they write it vertically, it can save more space than write it horizontally. So Mu gradually changed to today's shape. That's a fun assumption. I'm not sure that's 100% correct. This is some scholars' opinion. 好 let's see. So if it has something to do with the eyes with this radical. For example, the first one, 睡. We learned this character yesterday, 睡觉. So left part is eyes, right part pronounced as a 垂. 垂's meaning is droop. So when your eyelids are drooping, you're sleepy. You're going to sleep. The second one, 眼, this one literally means eyes in modern days. 眼. The last part is very interesting. The top part, if you can see, that's a hand. Still remember how to write the 手机, the phone, the mobile phone. The first one is hand. The bottom is eye. So put your hand over your eyes. You can look far. That's the meaning. 看. 好, this is today's content, and I hope this is interesting for you, and I'll see you tomorrow. 明天见。